it's important to specify your project location in your project in Revit. So now we will specify the location by going to the manage. Then you can see here project location. Click on this earth icon and this window will appear. There's two ways to specify your location: by internet mapping services, but I cannot use it. That's because my Autodesk version not legal. And the second one, by default, city list. So let's choose the first one by default. Then in here in city, let's search to Beirut, Lebanon. Okay, it's here. And if you want to change the city or the location, you can change the latitude and longitude by change this number.